Okay, it is 9:25 a.m., February 3rd, 2014, and I'm calling Blaine Hill, City Administrator of Morris.
Good morning, Morris City Hall.
Hi, how are you doing today?
Good, how about you?
Well, I'm doing super. Can't complain on a beautiful sunshiny day like today.
Oh, good.
Say, is Mr. Hill around?
Oh, let me check. Hold on.
Thank you.
Hello, this is Blaine Hill.
Blaine Hill, this is Terry Nemers. How are you doing today?
Not too bad.
Well, that's good. Say, I sent you a data request for the Morris area school head of facilities, David Leroy Stauffer, and I specifically asked you not to cause me any problems on this data request, and of course, you willfully did. You know, I don't appreciate that. There's all sorts of data missing. You know, the most blatant is the hidden camera video, you know, which I specifically noted in my data request. There's a missing statement of notification of Miranda warning, and that's missing. Pictures missing, documents missing. This is all just to waste my time, to insult my intelligence, to waste public resources in an attempt to illegally withhold this public data from me. I don't appreciate it. He hung up. Okay, it is 9:28 a.m., February 3rd, 2014, calling Blaine Hill, City Manager of Morris, back. He just got done hanging up on me.
Morning, Morris City Hall.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Well, that's good. Say, this is Terry Nemers. I just called just a few minutes ago, and I was rudely hung up on by Blaine Hill, your city manager, and I don't appreciate that.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
And I'm trying to report the fact that I sent off a legitimate data request, and Blaine Hill is trying to insult my intelligence, waste my valuable time, waste public resources by illegally withholding this public data from me. He sent me parts of it, and I don't appreciate this. It's a waste of my time. It's a waste of public resources. And obviously he's got something to hide, and and I don't appreciate that. So, and the thing is, I need to have that data sent to me. Now, if they want to send it in the mail, that's fine. Send me an invoice. I'll subtract all the time that they wasted from me, my valuable time, my phone calls, my time I spent writing up these data requests from whatever bill they're going to submit. Plus, I need to have the policy and procedure manual from the Morris Police Department. Plus, there's an investigator who did the investigation, Officer Reed, or Sergeant Reed, I do believe he is. And I need to know what sort of training he's had in interrogation, whether he's been trained in the Reed technique or investigative, can't remember the other name of it, but whatever sort of interrogation techniques he's been trained in.
Okay. Does
So,
Blaine know what data you're needing stuff?
well, I tried to explain it to him, and he hung up on me. So the thing is, there's video that's missing. There's a hidden camera sting. That was in the newspaper. There's a...
What's this dealing with?
It's with Morris area head of facilities, David Leroy Stauffer. It's a case from, 2002. Or, 2012, excuse me.
Okay. Let me see if he's available just a second.
Well, I don't want to be subjected to his
I'm sorry, what'd you
passive...
say?
I said I don't want to be subjected to his passive-aggressive behavior, so I just rather leave the message with you. You can relay it to him, because I'm tired of dealing with him. I think I'm going to start talking to the mayor and see what we can do about Mr. Blaine Hill. So.
And how do you spell your name?
It's Terry, Terry,
Okay.
Nemers, N as in Nancy, E, M as in Mary, M as in Mary, E-R-S.
Okay.
And my...
And you need the policy and procedure manual
For the...
for the police department.
Correct.
Okay.
and I need to have this video that's missing from this data request, and there's also a written Miranda warning that is in a previous one that's not in this one. There's pictures missing from this thing. All you have to do is read the report so you can see what's missing. There's documents missing, so and I don't appreciate that. I mean, any 5-year-old could read through this report and see what's missing, because all you do is compare what's written to the exhibits that are there,
Okay.
So
And what's your phone number?
it's 320-283 5713. And I presume this is all because Aaron Jordan is your city attorney / county attorney. I've been having the same problems with the sheriff, trying to illegally withhold information about Donald Heikkinen, the former chief of police of Hancock, who, supposedly there was no alcohol involved, and there's beer cans all over the crime scene pictures. So, there's another cover up there. So, again, I don't appreciate this.
Okay.
That's their job.
And what case are you calling about?
It is case number 75CR12237.
Okay, and the name?
It's David Leroy Stauffer. And Mr. Hill has all this information.
Okay.
I've emailed it all to him. It's all in writing. I signed my name to it. I specifically asked him not to harass me on this data request like he did on the previous one. So I don't see why it should be so hard for people just to do their job. All I'm asking for is kind, courteous, and helpful. How hard is that?
Okay, I will relay the message, and hopefully we'll figure this out, okay?
Thank you. I appreciate your help. You were kind, courteous, and helpful, and I appreciate that.
Yeah, okay. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.